We recommend wearing a helmet and protective gloves when setting up the whole tent. Put base plates, aluminium hollow sections, roof ridge and eave insertions at the ready, and then join them together with screws, nuts and washers. In doing so, always apply the screws from the outside to the inside, from the gable to the inside of the whole tent. Slot the eave purlins with the purlin hooks into the eave insertion points. The persenning buttons must always face the inside. First slot in the rounded hook and then lift up the straight hook on the other side. The gable pole is used to erect the ridge purlin. Cross over the wind bracing ropes and attach them between the supports. In hall tents of 6 meters span or more, there are also wind bracing ropes in the roof. After adjusting the poles and anchoring the base plates with 80 centimeter long pegs, now tension the wind bracing ropes. To insert the roof sheet, throw 2 lines with carabiner hooks over the frame. Affix the carabiner hooks to the roof sheet, put the bolt ropes into the runners, and pull the roof sheet evenly on both sides over the ridge. Tension the roof with expander cords. Now push up the bolt ropes of the side walls evenly from the middle of the support into the runners. Now push the curtain pole through the curtain rings and then put it into the slot on the supports. Now push down the bolt ropes on the side walls evenly from the middle of the support into the runners. The tent flap is then affixed with toggles. Pull in the 2 halves of the gable triangle and close.
Thank you.